do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you and hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind. And you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright. Cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a updo hairstyle. Without further ado, let's get to it. Today I have a two-piece bun and bang, and this is from Free Dress. This is how it is looking on the model, and it is two separate pieces.
Love can be simple, pure and good sometimes. And I take a heart with me wherever.
As you can see here, the bun has two combs, one in the front and one in the back. And the bang has three clips. So all you have to do is open the clips, and when you secure it to your hair, you close it. Today I'm rocking these earrings from Monet Dior Couture, and guys, I'll leave the link to her website in the description and also in the cards above, so you can go and check her website out and show her some love. This is a very simple hairstyle, guys. All you have to do is make sure the combs are secure under your hair, and that's it. And you have the option of wearing the bun with the bang or without, so you can do two hairstyles. And
No empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles.
now I gotta go in and take the bun off and secure the bang. Then I put the bun back on. To secure the bang, all you have to do is open the clips, and once it's secure under your hair, you close it, and that's it. Now that the bang is secure, I can go back and put the bun on and make sure the tracks on the bang isn't showing.
They're in her arms because really my baby. I can't stop.
Now that the bang and the bun is secure, I am just playing around with the bang to see the different ways I can style it. If I gotta go in and trim it a little, I'll do that. I like to style my unit, guys, to suit me. Sometimes I try to mimic the stock card, but most times our facial features are different, so I gotta do the best I can to make sure I like the finished look.
Baby, I'll go to the sun and back for her. I'll go 1,000 times.
The bun keeps moving, so I gotta do the best I know how and get me some bobby pins and make sure it is well secured. There you have it, you all. A very quick and simple updo hairstyle, which takes less than 5 minutes and it costs you under $10. Nothing for you to break the bank. The link to this bang and bun is in the description down below. If you're interested, guys, go and check it out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look, you all. Until next time, I do appreciate you all. Bye.
Wasted time with me. I feel my dreams for us coming true. We build a space for me and you so that